Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Pocket AI Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket AI Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into your homepage, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. From here, you can tap on Profile and then tap on Security. Now, within the security page, you can find the Change Password button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be prompted to enter your old password in order to confirm your identity and choose your new password. Type in the password that you are currently using within the first box, and then enter your desired new password underneath. You will need to enter this new password twice for confirmation, and then finally tap on the Confirm button. Now you will get a notification that your password has successfully been changed, and you can now start using this password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Pocket AI Trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.